Can you imagine that studying a new language can be easy and fun? Today I'm interviewing my student from Germany who is studying business English with Serene translations and language school.
I'm Birgit. I'm coming from Frankfurt in Germany. I'm working as an energy manager in a retail company, large retail company, and I want to learn English for my job.
What is the biggest challenge when it comes to learning a new language?
The biggest problem is the grammar.
What surprised you?
What me is surprised? The nice gardening here.
And what did you learn?
What I learned about the invention of industrial products and the development process, and you have given me some a paper for presentation. Yes, for some vocabulary used in presentations. It's a nice place here on the coast from the Netherlands. The weather is very good. It turns from winter in springtime and now getting in during the noontime very warm, and I like here to be. You are very friendly, and you are made me a warm welcome.
Thank you very much for your nice feedback, and see you soon at our school. My favorite principle is be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter and those who matter don't mind. I hope you enjoyed this interview, and if you want to hear more about some learning language tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and book an introductory call with me. See you soon at our school. Bye bye.